Okay, folks, today we got a really sharp Toyota, and it is big. It's huge. It's a 13 Tundra TRD. I'll have to reach up in here to crank it up. That's power running boards where you can get up in there. 40-inch tires. Got towing package on the back. 40-inch tires, and them are 24-inch wheels. Got the power running boards over here too. Really sharp truck. Normally I pop the hood on, but I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get up there to show you anything on it. Got a lot of custom work. Got some KC lights on the front. All right, got the navigation. Got the backup camera. Turn this radio down. 113,000 miles. Also has LEDs in the floor. See where they're lighting up blue. Buttons right there. USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth. Let's take her for a spin. 113,000 miles. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like a dash light's flickering. They're not. It's just the way the light reflects. See, everything shifts out like it should. The kit's been done right too. As big as it is, drive smooth. Drive straight. Up here. She's a big one. Really sharp truck. A couple more looks around the interior. Really clean truck too. If we can, oh, it's a little adapter for the wheels rolling around. All right, well that's it, folks. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautosale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.